Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Creating Purchase Invoice. A purchase invoice is a document provided by a supplier. It includes details of the goods or services purchased, such as the date, amount, purchase order number, invoice number, and payment terms. To create a purchase invoice, choose the search icon, enter Purchase Invoice, and choose the related link. In the vendor name field, enter the name of an existing vendor. Fill in the remaining fields on the purchase invoice page as necessary. On the Lines Fast tab, in the item number field, enter the number of an inventory item or service. In the quantity field, enter the number of items to be purchased. Once all details have been meticulously reviewed and confirmed, your invoice is ready for posting.